Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you some PHP function, how they work and how can you use them. PHP has over thousands functions. So we are going through not all of them, but some of which are mainly used in our programming language. So let's start. So this is my index file. I'm going to write here. I will firstly open the PHP tag. So our first function is very simple, that is count. So countly basically used for counting an element of array. So let's see how this works. Suppose I have an array of animals and we have some animals there. First of all, lion, bear, a small mouse, wolf, elephant and giraffe. So these are our animals array. Let's count how many elements are there. We can count easily, but in the long array we can use this count function. So this is the syntax of count. Write count and we will pass variable here, our array name. So save the file and open in the browser. You can see I am not closing a PHP tag because I know this is all PHP code, so we don't need to close this PHP tag. So open this in a browser. Actually I didn't echo this. We have to echo this so it can show us on. See 6. I zoom this out. You can see 6. So this is very simple. Let's move to next one. Yes, one thing more, that let's take an example of another, like we have foods array. We can define the array with this array keyword or this square bracket. So both are right way to defining an array. So this is a simple array. What we have, multi-dimensional array. Like we have foods, and in this foods we have more two arrays. Like foods, like first one is fruits, and in the fruit we have some array of fruits like banana, mango, apple, and our next array is veggies. In the veggies we have peas, and next is potato, next is spinach. So this is multi-dimensional array. We have two arrays in this food array. First is this and second is this. So how do we count this? If we write this simple, let's take what the output is. We pass the food. Two. So this is basically counting this and this, not the inner part of this array. But we can count this also if we can write here count underscore recursive. Count recursive. I spelled it wrong. Now you can see 8. Actually I giving the break tag here, so come in the next line. So you can see with writing count recursive, this is counting recursively inner part of this array. But you can also write one here. So 1 or 0 means normal count. If we look at the output 2, if we provide the 1, then it count recursively. So this is count recursive. Count recursive. And this is the normal count. Normal count. So you get the idea how to count recursively. We have arrays in array. So let's move to second function. Our second is string length. String length. How to find string length? So syntax of string length is string. This is the syntax. But first let's make a string. A string equal to, let's say, parrot, and we pass this string to this string length function. String length. Yeah, forgot to put this out. So you can see 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a simple function. And remember this is also count the space, like we provide 2 space, so 6 becomes 8. Remember this, it also count the space. And our third function is array. Is array is basically basically tells you that variable is array or not. Like this is array and this is string. Let's check this out. If is array, this output is true or false. The output of this function is true or false. So if is array, like I provide a string here, if this is array then its output is true, and if this is not array then output is false. So we know this is not a array, this is a string, so output is false. I am going to use here ternary operator. So if this condition is true, then this echo an array. If not, then it's print echo not an array. So if this condition is true, it prints an array, otherwise it prints not an array. Actually I'm going to one more. Here I provide the animals array. So our first condition is false and our second condition is true. So let's check the output. Oh, is arrow. Echo this. So you can see not an array. So our first is not an array and the second variable is an array. So this is a basically use of is array function. And the next one is in array. In array is basically used to check the value if it exists in array or not. So let's see how can see. Let's take this example and we have to find is wolf is present in animals array or not. So we will write in array, then what we have to find, we have to find wolf in which, then pass the second parameter of array, we have to find wolf in which array. So $animals array. So we this echo this out. So the output of this in array function is boolean, whether it's true or false. So let's check this out. You can see one, it means it found the wolf in array, and this is also a case sensitive. So if you write capital W, then you can see it will not find. So make sure you write the same case. So this is basically the work of in array. So for now this is for function. You can try at your own. I will show some more function in the next video. Thanks for watching.